Hey Nathan.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're in the Yellowcraigs campsite place.
We're in Yellowcraig campsite. Fantastic. It's a beautiful place, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really nice. We're like surrounded by trees.
Yeah, it's like almost all the places are like on motorhome or caravan. I think like out of the 112 like places there are, probably like at least like 100 of them are taken. So,
Brilliant.
Yeah, so we're quite lucky to get one.
And this is just we're actually coming to the entrance or exit, depending on which way you come. So this is where we came in. We just came in this afternoon, didn't we? And we're just staying for one night.
Yeah.
But it's just the three of us, isn't it? It's you, me, and Patch. We'll come over to the left, Nathan. Yeah, so it's beautiful. So we're going to do a little bit of a tour. First of all, outside of the campsite, Nathan.
Yep. Pretty big on that.
So what's this, Nathan? Right at the entrance of Yellowcraigs.
On the left, when you're coming in this road, there's this dog park.
Ah, fantastic. So it is.
It's a
Dog walk, one-way system in operation.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And there's a Law Hill behind us. Wow, what a view. Hey, let's go up to the entrance and just see what it's like. Come on, Patch. Let's take our dog. Come on then. Wow, look at the size of this, Nathan. So this is the dog walking part. Goes all the way down to the left.
It's like a perfect view to the...
I know, it's like a straight line to the Law Hill.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And there's the campsite just next to it. So this is just like
Yeah, right.
a few seconds from the entrance. So Nathan, where are we walking to now? Do you know?
No idea.
It's the beach. It's Yellow.
There's a beach.
Yeah, Yellowcraigs. So that's the campsite entrance just there, and this.
Yeah, it's on the right of the campsite entrance.
That's right. And literally, we're just right next to the car park. So this is us almost at the beach. Hey Nathan. Wow, it's so high up. That looks epic. You're a good climber. You're a great climber. Tune into sound. It's so beautiful. Hello. So Nathan, where are we?
We are in the campsite again.
At Yellowcraigs. That's right. It's a 5-mile-an-hour speed limit. And these are some of the pictures. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Yep.
And it's on, like a lot of the pictures are grass, but there are hard standing.
Beaches.
Oh yeah, hey, these would have been amazing.
We went down here.
Oh no, we didn't go down here. Yeah, here would have been pretty cool.
There's 11 each.
Yeah, you just for the white ones, you just go up to a peg,
I think 11's the only
and it has power. I don't know if they have service pitches, maybe.
Yeah, I think 11's the only free one because the other ones have like the power out.
Oh yeah, we never came down here. And there's a big field next to us, and then you're just down by the beach as well. It's so close to the beach, isn't it? It's super close. And I think we'll be coming up to toilet blocks in a second. We'll show you those. She has a dishwashing area.
There's only one sink in use.
One sink in use at the moment, and I think this is the toilet blocks next to us, and they might be open.
Jets entrance, yeah, they're open.
Yeah, I think they are. There's like unisex and CCP toilets, chemical waste.
This is an alcohol-based solution.
Nice. And then yeah, there's toilets over there, and I guess shower blocks as well. They look open. So yeah, it's really beautiful. And I think there's a few of these buildings. And how many pitches do you think there is, Nathan?
I think it's 112 or so.
112. It's quite a lot.
It's around that. It's definitely over 100.
What I think is really beautiful is all the trees, because there's trees everywhere and they surround the place, but I don't think they wouldn't really block the sunlight, because they're not like big tall trees, and it's actually in a big open space, so we're kind of like surrounded by fields, and so you can't really see the campsite from here, but also in the campsite you can't see the rest of the campsite much. But yeah, it's beautiful. And there's lots of these. This looks like a service point here. Wastewater, drinking water. And they've also loads of rabbit holes. So I bet if we if we look out tonight, we'll probably see a few rabbits, including this little patchy rabbit.
Yeah, we always call her Rabbit.
Patchy rabbit.
The VIP caravan.
Oh, beautiful. That's it. You're doing it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's handy. You did it. And you can sit in it like a seat, right?
Oh yeah, like this bit.
Fantastic. Hey, look at the next tree, Nathan. Over there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's go to the next one. The trees are amazing. This nearest one to us, if you look up, there's like an eye. I don't think you really see it on the camera. You see it's like at the bottom of the V shape of the two big branches, two thick branches. And if you imagine that's the eye there in the middle with the V.
Wait, what two?
And then there's like two arms. Let's get closer and have a look. Oh look, it's an old wall here. Oh wow, and then it's grown. I don't really know what it's done.
They destroyed it.
It's incredible. What a tree. The trees here are just fantastic. I don't know what.
So just walk into it on the other side.
Oh wow. Let's have a look.
What was a giant hole?
Whoa, look, it's kind of like a screaming face.
Okay.
I don't know what's in there.
Well,
That's incredible. What an amazing tree.
can I go up there? Yeah, I got this far.
Yeah, it's up to you. Nathan,
Hello.
where are we?
We are in, what was the place called again?
Yellowcraigs Beach.
Yeah, Yellowcraigs Beach.
That's right.
Patchway.
And do you remember the name of the island behind you?
I don't.
It's called Fidra Island.
Pedro.
Fidra.
Oh, Pedro.
And it is also meant to be the island that inspired Treasure Island. And on it, when I was a kid, I used to sail to it, so I know what's on it. It has a lighthouse just there, and it has a little harbour just to the bottom of the lighthouse, a tiny little thing you can put little boats in, and it has loads of puffins. And it also has a graveyard. I think it was of the lighthouse keepers that died. They're still there, and that hole in the middle you can see. That's the sky. You can go all the way through the island, and this is really close to Yellowcraigs campsite. So just behind those houses is where the campsite is.
That way.
They're beautiful houses, and then this is the beach. Look at this. So you can also see down there, just at the very tip, the Lamb Island, and next to it Craigleith, and then there's the Law Hill. So yeah, it's really beautiful. I think next, Nathan, we're just going to go for a walk along the beach for a little bit.
Yeah.
Let Patch enjoy it and do some exploring.
Beautiful.
Listen to nature's sound. Resonating waves to our souls. The birds that sing for you, and nature sings a song, love and life to raise our vibrations to this day and night. Love tonight. Hear the trees sway and leaves dance today, sparkle in the sunlight. See the sparkle in your heart come alive. The birds sing for you. Nature sings a song of love and life to raise our vibrations to these days and nights. All this life, all this life, listen to nature's song, to raise our love vibration